pre-made USBs or
Ethernet.
Ethernets. Those are probably Cat 5.
Do you want Cat 5 or Cat 6E?
Well, anything that goes with a new system.
Okay.
The 6. The old system, I don't. Cat 5 would be plenty. It'll plug into the outlet. They can plug in, right?
Yeah, we can plug in.
Okay, and hers does have a cat. Her CPU does have a cat plug-in. Tell me what you need me to do, as little as possible. This desk that's out here,
Uh-huh.
I got it on a piano double.
Okay.
It's heavy, but that's the drawer that goes in, so she's gonna clear that out. But if we rolled that thing out and slid it right under the bed of your truck and took it down to Main Street and drop it off at the place across the street from Goodwill, another.
Habitat of Humanity is where I have to take all that stuff either way. That's in the back of my truck.
Oh yeah?
Yep, I'm going to Habitat.
Does Habitat take desks?
We can see? I have no idea.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
I know all that stuff that's in the back of my truck is Dad's stuff. He said he wanted to take it down there and he was gonna follow me down there.
Okay, it's you. Yeah, get rid of that Dell stereo system that was hooked up there. Has to be 20 years old.
Oh wow.
'Cause
Olden.
I have an account with Dell, and that's what I would do whenever I upgrade a computer, is go on which one I want and upgrade. But which of those? That one, is that the one with a straight side plug? I'm looking, if we need a side angle plug any place. Like I freed that up just special. I got one already over there that is a side angle. And that goes to the big one that's right there to be double taped. You did it already?
Yep.
Okay. And yeah, that's a wherever we want. I mean, it can be over here for that matter, you know, on this wall for a sewing machine or whatever. But wherever we have something that's against the wall like this, but I've got over there, I've already got things hooked up the way it is. That's one I can do. I can get rid of this. No, what?
Where'd you put that little sticker that I gave you? For me to put on the glass.
That's where it goes.
Yep.
At the moment, I don't know. Everything is spread out. It will pop up.
Alright
And
then.
I know where it goes, so that's where, now I know. Perfect. Well, sure have air enough air out there.
This HDMI.
Standard to mini. Power supplies was there. I've got lots of audio. Like, I mean, almost any connector you need, I got it. Standard to Apple Lightning. There we go.
Hey, you're a kitty cat.
See. A junk drawer, you know? Here we go.
Another display.
So I have a box that I put all connectors in. USB to lightning. Got every length from 4 inches to 6 feet. Then that blue cord on the bottom, the power supply that plugs into the wall, the outlet on that is a C. So that cord can actually be used on a little gizmo I got. Well, if you don't need it, you can probably have it.
Okay.
I mean, as many, whatever we need, let's have here. You know, if you have use for these cords and cables and connectors and stuff like that, I'll give them to you.
Works for me.
You have them sorted out in a,
Yeah, I
I'm
haven't.
sure you do.
I haven't sorted.
I have them sorted out in bags in a box. Power supplies, cords, telephones. What's this down here? Wow. I had a manifold that plugged into AC that had 6 power outlets that went from a USB to a C, and they were for the little bright lights with that. But yeah. USB to C. Okay, good. And another one is that's a power supply. See if there's so many. Oh, that's a power supply for a mini USB.
Yes.
And for a guy that doesn't work electronics anymore, I sure got a lot of shit.
That you do. But there's nothing wrong with having too many.
Well, as long as I got a buddy like you that puts them good to get used. I don't like to waste, but it's nuts to just have this stuff in a drawer. And then when I need one, I forget where they are.
I'm the same way though. I'm like, where did I put that cord I just took out and misplaced? And I'm like, I remember where it is, but 3 months later, I'm like, I don't know where it is.
That's why I put all AV stuff in one box. And if I have it, if I find something and it's loose by itself, I put it in there. If I find out where it's supposed to go, I know where I put it.
Like I misplaced this this multi AC like circle plug cord that I have adapters for, and I just took it off my desk and put it somewhere, and I can't remember where I put it.
Oh, God. This is lightning earbuzz here. Telephone call buzz. Well, you got now. I also have the ones that just stick in your ear that right. I got from Apple.
Really?
I got them with my. This is an extra remote control for. Forgot I'm not on one of the wheels. I'm starting to slide. That goes in the garage. Over there in the garage. You don't need two of these. Stamps. Stamps. Measuring tape. Julie had a measuring tape in her. Oh, this goes in the little toolbox. It used to be on the floor. And you gonna log on to Julie's computer, Cody, or Rusty? Jimmy Cats, can't remember the name. I tried to do a raid in Aurora last night.
Mm-hmm.
They had to tip 200 Donde Aragua, whatever, badasses. And so they had FBI's, DEA, everybody there at one time, and they do this raid on the apartment building that was on TV where the guys breaking into it and stuff.
Yes.
They went to that place, but they got tipped off.
let's do it. They are both connected to Ethernet.
All right. I gotta do my pills.
I'll be right back. Buy me some food. I'm gonna get this stuff started up.
You want to put this on a tray so you don't stain the top of that. That sauce might stain the top of that one. Take the smaller tray.
Right over there by the drill.
I'll get it.
What?
It's right over here. Okie dokie, Smokey. Enjoy.
I appreciate this, ma'am.
Oh, you're very welcome. That'll finish our chicken. We eat a lot of chicken. What? Oh, nice. Very nice.
Never hurts to try.
And I'm impressed how fast you got that. I think it'll get sold. I did. It's a nice desk.
You could clean it up, Julie. You want? You get it in there far enough?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, yeah. We're still pretty far on the light side, but they're sliding off again. Way down, huh? It would roll straight, but you can't roll this thing well sideways. Skip like that, I don't feel like that. I bought these piano dollies sale for like $4 at Harbor Freight.
Uh-huh.
Man, I'll tell you what, I use those more than. Okay. Bring that old monitor up. So.
Have an outside gaming setup.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much again.
What's up? Alright, so that's all I have to do.